This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a rear-view camera, power adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, a sliding rear window, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.